Hi everyone. In 2 days' time I'm going on an art retreat. I'm hosting an art retreat. It's about 2 or 3 hours from Cape Town, and I just show you more or less what I'm going to be taking along. Of course, everyone that is attending, and I have got 15 people attending, which is awesome, so thanks for that. They're all getting a little leaflet like this that has all the info in of the sort of type of things that we'll be going through, all about composition, first page, layouts, that sort of thing. So it's quite a nice little leaflet for them to take home. And not forgetting, everyone gets a nice chocolate. And this great calligraphy pen that I do like using. It's the number 2. And it's just always nice to give something to the artists that are attending. Then my bag where everything fits in is just a sort of over-the-shoulder bag with my empty spray bottle. It's empty already, just getting ready for traveling. Then I have my normal pack that has everything in it already. So I've packed my various pencils, brushes. I've got my little collapsible water container, and then various pens. So here I have a variety of pens, jelly rolls, Posca pens, calligraphy pens, fine liner, and a little spray bottle, and of course erasers, sharpeners, that sort of thing. And not forgetting my new TWSBI Go fountain pens with some ink, because it does tend to run out when you're doing a lot of work. This little palette is the size that I will take. So this is an A5 size book, so you can see the size of my hand, the size of the book. And I've already actually, just to get going started, this was my last week's YouTube video. So I did my front page, and then I've already done, oh gosh, the lighting here. Yes. So I've already done the little map of the town, McGregor, that we're going to be going to. And then I will have to start. So I will do a bit of a sketchbook tour when I come back and show you what I've been up to. So this is the size of my palette. So it's the same size as the book, more or less. And then what is quite handy, I've made this out of, I think it's called foam core here, but I've just stuck it here with duct tape. It's an old estate agent advertising board, and I've made it with 2 different pieces so that it fits in my bag. Of course, if your bag's bigger, I guess you could do that, but this is for the 2 different sizes. So if I had an A4, and 2 weeks ago, my YouTube video, you would have seen this one. This fits nice and stiffly on this board. You know, you just clip it here with your clips, and then it's nice and stiff. It also works with my A5. So I would just clip it there, and then I would clip my palette to this board as well. Okay, so that's just nice and stiff, and you can move it around, and it's easy to use then after that. Your water would be separate, and then you can just paint away. So that works really well. Then of course I have my chair. It's just a 3-legged stool. It's a Swiss made. It's called Walk Stool, and it's great. It comes in different heights, or you can buy them in different heights. And I will be taking a few other things. So I've got a slightly bigger palette. The weather next week doesn't look perfect every day, so we might have to do something inside. So I am going to be taking the slightly bigger palette. I'm going to be taking this sketchbook of mine. This was the last sketch I did in it. And this was all in Cape Point a few days ago. And it's got a bit of everything, so that's always a nice size to take. And then my A4 is coming with. I've especially left the front page empty because I want to be demonstrating on the day, on the retreat, what it's like to do a front page. So I've started here with, this is Simonstown, the place I live in. That was Water's Edge, and I'm busy with the next one. So that's going to be coming with me. And that's about it. So you really don't need a lot of things. And yeah, so you know more or less what to pack, especially with travel sketching, is very little. I could, if you were going on a plane or something, you would all fit it all in just a side like sling bag, hand luggage. It really isn't a lot. And yes, I'm really looking forward to my week, and I will let you know when I go back. I'm going to be trying to do some videoing some of my plein air sketching on the retreat, and I look forward to showing you what we've done. Okay, keep well. Ciao, ciao.